Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel containing Excel videos. In this video, I'm going to explain about conditional formatting. Within conditional formatting, I'm going to explain how to use top or bottom rules. And for that, I have a small table here which contains the list of students along with the marks scored by them in some examination. Now, under top or bottom rules, there are six items which are available. Uh, I can categorize these into three sections: top, bottom, and average. Now, within top, there are two items available. One is top 10 items, and another one is top 10 percentage. Now, let's see the difference between these two and in which way it is going to help us. Now let's assume I want to identify the top uh, 10 marks out of this list. Maybe this list is containing just 40 students. If I spend some 10 minutes time, I can easily identify that. But if the list is more, it's going to become difficult for anybody to do this exercise. However, to help us, Excel have this option called conditional formatting and top or bottom rules. Now, before applying that condition, I just need to select the range where I want to apply the condition. I have selected it. Now I will go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules, and I will click on top 10 items. It's not necessary we have to use only top 10. If you want to check top 5, even that is possible. Instead of 10, just make it as 5. And what kind of formatting you want to apply? There are many formatting available here. I will select green fill with dark green text. I will give OK. And now you can see Excel has done the formatting based on the condition I have given, which is top 5. So there are 3 marks highlighted here and 2 marks highlighted here. So obviously my task is done. Now, uh, if we have to understand this more, uh, no wonder it has selected the top 5 marks and it has highlighted. Sometimes there might be a situation where it can color code more than 5. Even if you said top 5, Excel might color code more than 5 items. Let me explain in which situation that can happen. Let's assume there is a tie on the highest mark. So here I see the highest mark as 97. Now let me change this number to 97. You can see uh, 89 got unselected. The formatting got reverted back because I added a number higher than 89. So obviously it is making the changes, which is good to me. Now let me do the same thing by typing the same mark again and again. Now you can see the number of records which got highlighted is more than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's it. Because there is a tie in the highest mark, even though you have specified the condition as only top 5, it is going beyond 5. So this is something we need to understand before applying this conditional formatting. Now I will clear the rules. I will say entire sheet so that all the conditional formatting in this particular sheet called sheet 1 will get erased. Now I will once again select the entire range and then I will apply top bottom rules, top 10%. And then I will give green fill with dark green text. Oops, I did not change these numbers. Let me do the quick change. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see there are only four marks which got highlighted because we did not say top 10 items. When you say top 10 items, it is the exact number of items that you want, whereas top 10 percentage is different from the actual number 10. Now here the entire population is 40. You can see here count 40. So I have 40 students and their marks. So top 10 percentage is equivalent to 40 into 10%, which is 4. So it is going to highlight only 4 items in the entire list. So if you have, say, 40,000 records, and if you say you want to highlight top 10 percentage, 40,000 into 10% is equivalent to 4,000. 4,000 records will get highlighted. Whereas if you say 10 items, irrespective of the number of records you have in the table, it is going to highlight only 10 items without considering the entire population. So that is the major difference between um, top 10 items and top 10 percentage. The opposite of top is bottom. So I don't want to do this and show it again, because we know what is the reason for identifying the top items and the bottom items. Generally, in this scenario, we identify the top 10 people just to reward them or appreciate them for the highest marks they got, and we can highlight the bottom 10 items just to identify who are those students did not score good mark, and then it becomes the action item for the teacher to analyze why they scored less marks and how to improve them in the coming examination. Now, the third section, which I named as average, here there are two items, above average and below average. Let us see how to apply this. Before applying that condition, I will remove the existing condition, clear rule from entire sheet. Now, once again, I will select the entire range. I will go here and select above average. I will select a green fill and give OK. Now you can see there are many rows applied with the formatting. The logic it applied is it will take all the marks scored by all the students, and then it will calculate the average. In this case, this is going to be the sum of all the marks. So all 40 students collectively, they have scored 2,161 marks. And if I divide it by the total number of population, which is 40, I get 54.025. So that is the average mark for this class. The other way of calculating the average is select the entire range. On the right hand side bottom corner, you can see the average shown, 54.025. Now we can double check if that is the condition is selected properly or not. So let me type in the number called 54 here. So 54 is less than the average, which is 54.025. If I type 55, let's see what happens. So my condition is getting applied here exactly. So based on the average, if the number is above the average, it is applying the formatting. If the number is below the average, it does not apply the formatting. Okay, so now we have covered all these 6 different options available under top bottom rules. We will cover the remaining options in the subsequent videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button for this video, comment, and then share this video. Thank you for watching.